Good morning, guys. It's the following day, Sunday. Got maybe about 4 hours of sleep. I got about an hour sleep, an hour and a half, maybe even two the night before. So I pretty much crashed. We finished up around 1:30 in the morning. The only problem was we couldn't really go any further because ACT did not provide the flywheel bolts for the flywheel. So we were, I was actually prepping the clutch yesterday, but ran into that. We can't put the turbo kit on because we're waiting for the block off plate that is in the old motor that we couldn't get the bolt off, which kind of presented some problems for us last night. So yeah, waiting. It's about what it's 7 o'clock this morning, waiting for Nate to come by, pick me up. We're gonna go over to Jake's place. We are going to pull the flywheel bolts off of the old motor, and we're gonna attempt to try and grab and maybe Dremel off the head off of the block off plate that goes here. So hopefully we can get a lot of stuff done today. So that's how the engine bay is looking at the moment. The NSX is outside and keeping the Evo company. Not much really to do other than just to button things up. Hopefully we don't run into any more problems today. But yeah, I didn't honestly think that this was gonna take one day. Just kind of, I guess, telling myself that. Well, I mean, the reason for my build taking the amount of time that it did is because it's just funding.
Does Jacob want this? Or?
Yeah, he doesn't have a rat on that car. So we need M6x1. Just stopped over at Jake's place. So we're gonna meet him over his parents so that we can pull the stuff we need off the short block. But alright, where is that M6x1? M6x1. Should have brought my glasses. That should be long enough. Damn it. Let go. Yep, that'll do it. So like idiots, we forgot to bring the tools that we need to get the stuff that we need off of the old block. Bailey. Alright, so we're at Jake's parents' place. We're going to be working on the old block. Sketchy work right there, Mr. Jacob.
Left off.
Jacob said meal's on him, but he has to do the dishes.
You're right. Alright, I don't have my wallet anyway.
Conveniently.
I don't have my wallet.
There's your
Nate
wallet.
has to buy it.
Alright, we're gonna grab something to eat before we hop back on day number 2 of the Subaru STI engine swap. 3D. So we are back. Gonna hopefully make a better time today and get things going a lot quicker than we did yesterday. Well, actually, we didn't do too bad yesterday. It's just that we ran into some minor stuff. So right now we're gonna put the clutch in, and then after the clutch is in, we are going to mate it to the transmission, and then go from there. Right, Nate? Just say yes.
Yeah. Put my hand in. Watch the bumper. I can't. get levered anymore.
I can't even push it in the front.
All right, so what happened there, Jacob?
It
You ain't pinning this on me.
You put it on.
Good. So earlier were you gonna?
I had the flywheel on.
You did the clutch earlier about what time? 1?
Oh no, 8 o'clock in the morning. That's what it felt like.
It's like one. I think
1 in the afternoon.
Two about two because we got. I
We
got
ate-
eating at 12 something. Got here about 12:30 ish.
You're in the
yeah.
middle of doing this, and somebody takes this and leaves with it.
We did the
Nothing.
we did the flywheel. Got
The flywheel.
Yeah, somebody takes this and leaves with it. I'm tightening these up, and now it was loose the whole time. We were spending 5 hours trying to get it in the car.
All right. Well, now hopefully. Well, we can't say anything yet.
Yeah.
It's not in the car
It
yet.
goes in like I can't.
Knock on wood.
All right. So let's get this going. So how bad can a motor swap be? The day, sure. Well, definitely it didn't take a day, so we need another day for tomorrow. So I don't know where I left off. We finally got the long block in, and this is after having tried for a good half day trying to get the motor to mate with the transmission. Make a long story short, took us several tries, and many hours later, it ended up being that the twin disc wasn't seated properly. I'm not quite sure why. Could have been possibly because the guide wasn't properly used, but we don't know. We're just kind of guessing at this point. But seeing that we got it in, now the issue is the clutch seems to just fall to the floor and doesn't come back up. So I had that happen to me when I did it on my Hawkeye, but it ended up being I just needed to make sure that the clutch fork and the throwout bearing was engaging, and so that worked out well for me. This is pretty much what we're at right now. We got the turbo and the downpipe and the exhaust. We all have that installed. We have most of the accessories installed. We got the radiator, the fans, etc., etc. So tomorrow we're hoping to be able to spend a couple of hours because Nate and Jake, and I'm not sure if Tommy's coming, but those guys don't have much time. Maybe just a couple of hours. So what we are going to do tomorrow is get the NSX back in, because I'm not gonna be content with just well, not necessarily content. I'm not going to be happy with the idea that the NSX is going to be sitting out there for over a week. So what we're going to do tomorrow is we're going to do what we can, and if we can get her started and get her under her own power, we're going to drive her out and leave her in the driveway. Otherwise, if we can't get it running, we're just going to push it out and move the NSX back into her spot, and just continue to work on it in piecemeals throughout the week. So, yeah, 2:30 in the morning. I think I need to get some rest, because we're gonna try to tackle this again tomorrow morning. So, yay! Okay, so again, I'll continue this video tomorrow. Hopefully, with much better results. So see you guys tomorrow.